Now in this short lesson, I will show you how to use destructuring to simplify your code. So as you can see here in our app.js file, we are trying to use some method from this file. So what we're doing here is we are importing using the require method. We are storing the entire module in this constant, in this variable, helpers variable. Then we are accessing one of this method available into this file in this module, right? Now there is a simpler way. Instead of accessing the properties like so, what if we could just use sum? Well, we can do that. All you need to do is use object destructuring. Okay, so what you can do is create this object syntax, and here what do you like to extract from this helpers? You want to extract sum only, right? Previously you had helpers and you had helpers.sum, but now you want to just get the sum out of the helpers. So all you do is this. Using this destructuring syntax, you require only sum from the helpers. This way it is much more simplified and it works perfectly fine. Give it a try. Perfectly fine. Okay, now if you had some more methods exported from this object, let's say add, then you could also comma separate add. Okay, you could destructure multiple exports. Whatever has been exported, you can import, you can require using this object destructuring, which is much more simplified approach and easy to use and easy to understand, right? Okay, so this was a very quick and easy introduction to object destructuring.